You also don't want to make too many offers though, because then people get confused. That's why we eliminated a couple different ones we had. And at the same time, like Alan Soltanich, I don't want to call it the theory because this guy like does the thing. I don't know how many businesses he's had his hands on, but he said over and over, like there's a certain amount of times people will buy before they feel like they know you and they're on to the next person. So there's really not a lot of point in making like random mid-tier products that are like, oh cool, I made 5K today, but like you actually just made those people less likely to buy at some point in the future because they feel like they know you too much. Like don't go after a few bucks today and miss out on like a ton of money tomorrow.
Yeah.
Like everything that you sell has to have a goal. So it's like anything low ticket is just moving them up the ladder. Anything high ticket, ideally on subscription, or there's something more expensive that's ideally on subscription, and that just increases valuations. We haven't even talked about exiting today, really.